ankle first aid kit. Shout out to Independence Training. If you don't follow them, you should follow them. They're also involved with the Arms Room Show, which is a podcast. Was listening to a post that they made recently of all the scenarios you'll come across in your day-to-day life. First aid is probably going to be primary versus self-defense, although certainly we like to be prepared for everything. We've got two of these mini H&H Mini 2X. This is a gauze and compression bandage, so you could just throw this in a pocket. Certainly you should have one of these in your med kit. It's a two-step, really. It's the compression bandage, and wrapping gauze. So, you know, you could wrap medium to medium to small size wounds with these, and much prefer to have something like that, especially on a hike or just anywhere in day-to-day life. Your other daily carry items, a lot of people carry a flashlight, pocket knife, and in this case, the Tactical Medic, a really cool company out of Mesa, Arizona. I'll put a link to the website in the description. They have this ankle first aid kit. Comes with the chest seal, crinkle gauze, pressure bandage, gloves, combat medic tape, mini shears, and a TK4 tourniquet. Two different colors on their website. Also, you can buy the ankle kit without the content. So really nice to buy local. Didn't have to get this from Amazon or made in China. Check this out, made in USA. And it looks like that's made by Riker Nylon Gear. Really nice fabric. So in here they put the chest seal with vent. Really nice pocket in the back there. And they have a Velcro, combat tape, Tactical Medic, trauma dressing. Also in here, looks like we got gloves, latex gloves, shears. You may not have to carry shears, but you'd like to have them. And then the TK4 tourniquet. So you could load this up yourself, but I mean, not too bulky, but kind of nice on an ankle kit. And nice, opens two different ways. It's got this little adjustment piece in the middle. How you like my sexy leg? I mean, it's not too bulky. I mean, just these two sides, the shears fit rather well at the front of the shin, and it really doesn't weigh much at all. Maybe a pound and a half. So anyways, think about what you do on a day-to-day basis, and if it's worth having quick access to a med kit. Also, you know, you could just run Google searches, but to take a medical training course, I think is also advised, even if it's just the basics. You can also teach yourself, get the equipment, and figure out how to use it all. So this kit is, I think, $100 for the stocked ankle first aid kit. The compression, they're like $11 each. If you guys have questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll put a link. You can check the Tactical Medic website out. Really cool. A lot of different things on there that I think are necessities. Thanks everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe.